ايوه
Salita ka.
What's up, guys?
180
So I don't know where am I, but like
150 ريال
my friend is. Oh, okay. Oh wow, she looks more beautiful now. Yeah. Look. Wow. Ay wow.
Ano to?
And then this one is free?
No, no,
No?
no, two piece.
Oh no.
Under
I
riyal.
thought it's free.
Under riyal.
Come on.
This special for this one piece 70 riyal.
Give me free.
No, no,
No, okay.
no free. Take this.
Huh?
100 riyal.
No. Maybe next day.
Oh, okay.
All right. So I bought this.
Inshallah.
No, inshallah. Thank you, brother.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum.
If you wait for If you wait for
The vibes here are you are back at how many centuries?
Tingnan mo yung dito niya.
Ah, baby bro.
If you wait for If you wait for If you wait for
So we're here in Corniche Boulevard. So this is their boulevard, and in front of us is West Bay. West Bay. It's a beautiful view from here because you can see the lights of the buildings. And hi. Hello. We're going home, and you know I've seen there's BMW, a lot of bikes, and I love this place because I can always hear those machine sounds. Oh man. And I even seen Corvette, and if I'm not mistaken it is McLaren 720. Freaking love it.
If you wait for
We're in a hurry. We're going home. Then we are afraid we're gonna miss the train. We missed the train. Okay, so we missed the train. And now we are looking for an Uber to drive us home. And then we are hungry because we walk a lot. It's already 1 a.m. and people here are actually sleeping. Yeah, our Uber's here.
If you